Ready for Bloomsday. Oh, hello, first grade. Oh, you say Bloomsday was postponed? You could have told me that earlier. Okay, well, then I guess I've got a little while to get ready, don't I? Well, go ahead and get out your packet then, page 123, with President Lincoln on the penny. And it's a poem about Abraham Lincoln, with a capital A and a capital L as we know. Abraham Lincoln, an honest and great man, comma, brave leader of our land. In God he placed his trust, another comma, Abe Lincoln, comma, brave and just. And just remember at the beginning of a poem, they're not complete sentences necessarily on each line, but each line of a poem needs to start with a capital. So capital A for Anne, capital B for brave, capital I for N, and the capital A for Abe at the bottom. So just remember, even if that's not the beginning of a sentence, that is where capitals go when you're writing a poem like this. Then, on our letters and sounds, on our daisy here, we are going to drop the silent E and add ing, just like you're going to do in spelling this week. Right, so they've already done flaming for you, and you'll notice you check it off when you've written it. So I'm going to go ahead and do breaking as an example. So we want to write break, but drop that silent E before adding ing, as you know. Otherwise we get break-ing, which would be a word. And then if you want to, so you know you wrote it, just check that off as well. Do the same for driving and sliding. And then ed here, they've already done shaved for you. I'm just going to do one example, and you can check it off on your paper. But you will drop the silent E actually in baked, but then you're adding the ed. You just don't want to have two E's, as you know, because then we would have bake-ed, right? And that might be like Mrs. Olson's baking class, and you know, you want to be able to spell it correctly, baked. Then we're going to look for special sounds, all right? And they've already done score for you with scut and scat or in morning, but I'll do a few more with you. For example, like spa in spade, S-P, or in morning, O-R. And that is word sport. And this word is sore, like you're going to feel after Bloomsday on September 20th now. All right, so circle or in morning, and we know that E is silent. Then we have oi in coin, O-I, and that is the word boil. And then you have or in morning, another silent E as in war, like Miss Olson wore her Bloomsday shirt on the wrong day, but that's okay. All right, then we have found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special sounds. You need to find a total of 15. So if you do the math, 15 minus the 5 leaves 10 more sounds for you to find. I know you can do that. Then you're just matching some homonyms. Remember, that means words that sound the same, but they mean two different things, as in the wind blew and one of my favorite colors, blue. Then on your language, we have 3 different forms of the word. These are called, you have sleep, sleeps, and sleeping. You need to choose the right form of the word that makes sense. For example, would we say, the 4 kitchens were asleep in the hay? No, not if there are 4 of them. The 4 kitchens were sleeps in the hay? No. The 4 kitchens were sleeping in the hay? Yes. So I'll let you go ahead, and it's only 6 words to fill in. You're so smart. I'll let you go ahead and do that on your own. And you go ahead and get all practiced up for Bloomsday, and I will see you on September 20th, if not before.